Ever wondered how you can use everyday kitchen ingredients for your skincare routine? Well, in today's world of skincare, many are embracing the power of DIY, turning their kitchens into personal beauty salons. This is no surprise, considering the multitude of benefits that homemade skincare recipes offer. Imagine the freedom of crafting your own skincare regimen using natural ingredients that are not only affordable, but also readily available in your pantry. Picture the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's going on to your skin, free from the often puzzling jargon of commercial product labels. Think about the peace of mind that comes with eliminating artificial chemicals, embracing instead the nurturing touch of Mother Nature. From the humble honey and lemon mask to the invigorating coffee and sugar scrub, and the nourishing avocado and yogurt mask, there's a world of skincare recipes waiting to be explored. So, are you ready? Prepare to explore the world of skincare recipes that you can whip up in your own kitchen. Our first kitchen ingredient is honey, a natural humectant, and lemon, known for its brightening properties. Today we're whipping up a simple yet effective face mask using just these two ingredients. Honey, a sweet sticky substance produced by bees, is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into the skin. This helps to hydrate your skin, making it soft, supple, and giving it a youthful glow. On the other hand, we have lemon, a citrus fruit bursting with vitamin C. It's known for its brightening properties, helping to even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes. Lemon also contains alpha-hydroxy acids, which gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells and revealing a fresh, radiant complexion underneath. So how do we create this honey and lemon mask? It's quite simple. You start by mixing 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Make sure your honey is pure and your lemon juice is fresh for the best results. Once you've mixed them together, you should end up with a thick, sticky mixture. You then apply this mixture to your face, making sure to avoid the eye area. You can use your fingers, a brush, or even a cotton pad. The choice is yours. Just make sure the mask is evenly distributed across your face. Leave it on for around 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the ingredients to soak into your skin, providing maximum benefits. Once the time is up, rinse off the mask with warm water. You might find that the honey makes it a bit sticky, so you might need to rinse a few times to get it all off. Pat your face dry with a towel, and there you have it. Your skin should feel refreshed, moisturized, and noticeably brighter. And that's it. A simple 2-ingredient face mask that you can make in the comfort of your own kitchen. It's all natural, easy to make, and effective, proving that sometimes the best skincare ingredients are the ones we already have at home. Your skin will feel refreshed and glowing after this honey and lemon mask. Next up, we have a coffee and sugar scrub, perfect for exfoliating your skin. Imagine the rich aroma of freshly ground coffee wafting through your kitchen as you prepare this simple yet effective skincare solution. The recipe couldn't be easier. All you need is half a cup of coffee grounds, half a cup of sugar, and just enough olive oil to transform these humble ingredients into a magical paste. Give it a good mix and voila! Your coffee and sugar scrub is ready to work its wonders. Now, why coffee, you may ask? Coffee is a natural exfoliant thanks to its gritty texture. It helps to slough off dead skin cells, revealing a fresher, brighter complexion underneath. Plus, coffee is packed with antioxidants which fight against skin-damaging free radicals, helping to keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. And what about sugar? Well, sugar is a natural source of glycolic acid, an alpha-hydroxy acid that boosts new cell production and breaks down the protein that keeps the dead cells hanging onto your skin. This makes sugar an excellent ingredient for exfoliation, helping to smooth and brighten your skin. But the benefits don't stop there. When you massage this coffee and sugar scrub into your face, you're also promoting blood circulation. This rush of blood to your skin's surface aids in the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells, improving their health and giving you that sought-after healthy glow. To use, gently scrub this concoction onto your face for a few minutes. Be careful not to scrub too hard. We want to exfoliate, not irritate. After a few minutes, rinse off with warm water and pat your face dry. You'll immediately notice how soft and smooth your skin feels, and over time you'll see a visible improvement in your skin's texture and complexion. So next time you're brewing a pot of coffee, don't toss away those grounds. Instead, treat your skin to this coffee and sugar scrub. Experience the invigorating effects of this coffee and sugar scrub. Now let's dive into the nourishing properties of the avocado and yogurt mask. This mask is a deliciously creamy concoction that your skin will absolutely adore. The recipe is delightfully simple. All you need is half a ripe avocado and a quarter cup of yogurt. The avocado should be thoroughly mashed until it reaches a smooth consistency and then mixed with the yogurt to form a creamy blend. Once the blend is ready, apply it to your face with gentle circular motions, being sure to avoid the sensitive area around your eyes. Allow the mask to work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. You'll instantly notice a difference. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and look visibly refreshed. But what makes this avocado and yogurt mask so effective? It's all in the ingredients. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, which provide intense hydration for dry skin. They're also rich in vitamins E and C, both of which are essential for skin health. Vitamin E is known for its ability to combat harmful free radicals and reduce UV damage, while vitamin C boosts collagen production, giving your skin a youthful, plump appearance. On the other hand, yogurt is a fantastic skincare ingredient due to its high levels of lactic acid. Lactic acid is an alpha-hydroxy acid, or AHA, which is a type of compound that exfoliates the skin by breaking down dead skin cells. This allows new, healthy cells to come to the surface, resulting in smoother, brighter skin. Moreover, yogurt also boasts anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can soothe redness and irritation, making it a wonderful ingredient for those with sensitive or inflamed skin. In combination, the avocado and yogurt not only hydrate and nourish the skin, but they also fight inflammation and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. This avocado and yogurt mask will leave your skin feeling soft and nourished, so why not try it for yourself? You might just find that your new favorite skincare product has been hiding in your kitchen all along. Let's take a moment to reflect on these skincare recipes that you can easily make at home. Today, we navigated through the miraculous world of DIY skincare, discovering 3 homemade recipes that can bring a delightful transformation to your skin. Firstly, we met the honey and lemon mask, a sweet and sour combination that is more than just a treat for your taste buds. The natural antibacterial properties of honey help to soothe and heal the skin, while lemon, rich in vitamin C, works to brighten and tone your complexion. This mask is a simple yet powerful tool to combat acne and dullness, leaving your skin glowing and refreshed. Next, we explored the invigorating coffee and sugar scrub. Coffee, a rich source of antioxidants, can help to reduce inflammation and under-eye circles. Sugar, on the other hand, acts as a natural exfoliant, sloughing off dead skin cells to reveal a brighter, smoother surface underneath. This scrub is like a rejuvenating spa session for your skin, right in the comfort of your own home. Finally, we delved into the creamy goodness of the avocado and yogurt mask. Avocado, packed with vitamins A, D, and E, rejuvenates and moisturizes the skin, while yogurt, with its lactic acid content, gently exfoliates and soothes. This mask is a nutrient-rich treat for your skin, perfect for those days when it needs a little extra love and care. Now you might ask, why go through the hassle of making these recipes at home when there are countless skincare products available in the market? Well, the answer lies in the power of nature. Each ingredient we've discussed today is natural, safe, and brimming with benefits for your skin. These kitchen staples are free from harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances that can often irritate the skin. Plus, creating your skincare regimen gives you the freedom to customize the ingredients based on your skin's unique needs and preferences. So, don't be afraid to experiment. Maybe add some oats to your honey and lemon mask for extra exfoliation, or a dash of cinnamon in your coffee scrub for a warming sensation. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, you're in control. Just remember, every skin type is different. What works for one person might not work for another. So, listen to your skin. If you notice any redness, irritation, or discomfort, discontinue use immediately and consult a dermatologist if necessary. Remember, your kitchen holds the secret to glowing skin. So, go ahead and whip up these skincare recipes and let your skin say thank you.